Everybody, this is Tamara from McGillicuddy Makes, and we came out here to Sketchy's garage this morning so Scotty can show us how to buff an epoxied tumbler. Sometimes we get those high nibs on them and we'll sand them and just keep re-epoxying them, and then you have this really fat cup. But Scotty, who is an auto body professional and painter, has realized that you can just buff and polish them once you've sanded them with a really fine grit like 2000 to get all those scratches refined down. So Scotty, what are we using today?
We are just using a small mini buffer with a foam pad and just the first step rubbing compound.
Does it have to be an air buffer that you use?
No, you can use any buffer. You could probably pick up a little small cordless one off of eBay or Amazon, and it'll do you just as well. And this is just what I happen to have.
And what did you say is on the end of that foam?
It's a foam pad. It's a foam rubbing compound pad.
Okay. So what are the steps once you sand it? Then if you can't see the scratches, it's good to go? If it just looks blurry?
You just want to get a nice smooth finish, and then yes, you don't want to see any sanding scratch. If you can see a sanding straight line in it with the naked eye, when you polish it, you'll still see it after you buff it.
So you can see this looks blurry versus the shiny part of the cup. So that means it's good to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And whenever you apply your compound, just put a little bit on your foam pad and just kind of work it in a little bit. That'll keep you from slinging it everywhere. If you just go at it, it'll create a big mess. Just cover the area that you want to polish and just apply light pressure and hit the trigger. One thing you want to make sure you're doing when you're buffing, you see how the buffer is spinning in this rotation? You always want the buffer to be spinning off the cup. If you try to go like that, you're going to dig in and you'll burn through real fast.
Okay.
So keep that in mind. Always run off your panel or your cup when buffing. I'll hit that a little bit more. Take and polish it. Come back with a towel. Just wipe off your extra compound.
And it's shiny again.
And just like that, that saves you a trip of having to re-epoxy the cup. You can take out your flaw and.
All right, thank you, Scotty.
You're welcome.